This is a brand new 2014 Acura MDX. It has a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, a limited-slip differential, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, a premium sound system, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, dual power seats, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.